22nd of June 2022. This is strange.
Yeah.
The shell has been taken away and the floor gitter is not working here. It's on Hembyvägen or Kotikyläntie 4, stage A here in Espoo, keskus Espoo Centrum. Espoo, Helsingin Hissiteknikot, which in Uusimman Nyland, Finland, in Swedish and Finnish outside. Capacity is 4 bursts of 325 grams, built by ValmetSchlieren in 1979, turned 40 years old in 2019. And modernized in 2002 by Helsingin Hissiteknikot oil, but with a cheap type of novel fixtures. Only novel buttons, but they reused them. And the number is VS5577, and it's going to be inspected next year, 2023. This Mercedes is turning 20 years old this year, in 2022. And this residential building has 8 staircases, and we have just filmed all of them. You can watch all of them. 8 out of 8.
Yeah.
From A to H. This one looks like a spare part for the 5th floor.
Yeah.
And one also because it doesn't have braille.
Yeah. Yeah, I think they have been replaced by Kone.
Yeah, because Kone is maintaining.
Yeah.
That's pretty interesting that even though Kone didn't modernize this, but to use the Kone buttons, but Kone is maintaining here.
Yeah.
It's probably one of the very last novel buttons ever made.
Yes, of course. Inspected by Finland and maintained by Kone.
But of course, I've seen early 2003 call buttons for Kone novel, but that was still one of the last ones.
Yeah.
So maybe it was early 2003 who came the last ones.
Yeah.
So I don't think 2004 I haven't seen, no. But early 2003.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching. You can watch the 7 other staircases here.
That's